Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of wave effect tiles in this video. This video contains beautiful collection of tiles. If you design your home, then this video will be very beneficial for you. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. These wave effect tiles looking so beautiful and nice. The designs of tiles I have added to my video are very trendy these days. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you design your home, then this video will be beneficial for you. This video contains beautiful designs collection of tiles. These wave effect tiles looking so nice and gorgeous for your interior home designing. Please watch the video at the end and post a comment in the comment box. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much.